Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm in the middle of the City of London here, just right at the base of I call it the Me Too Tower, but it's the Gherkin. I'm going to take one of these Santander, the Boris Bikes. We've got a couple of e-bikes, but we're going to take it across my nemesis, Tower Bridge. We're going to somehow get riding across one of the least bike friendly bridges in Britain. No, in Britain, yeah, in London at least. So this is going to be a POV, point of view, real-time journey. It's a bit tricky on the Boris bikes because you can't mount your phone. I'm not too hot on this part of the city, so we could take some wrong turns, but just enjoy the May time sun. We're in the middle of a heat wave. It's the hottest week ever recorded in the UK. And it's only May, but let's see how far we get on the Boris bikes. Okay, so if we go, I think it's down there. So I just checked the directions. Right, so we go down there and then we'll turn right onto Mansell Street, which is third on the right, okay? This could get a bit hairy. Oh, bum. I mind the bus up your bum. I can go first if you like. Here we go. So next junction we'll turn right. Might be a bit tricky. Oh, go. Oh man, can you imagine? Thanks. Thank you. I need to go right. So it says no entry, so we could have done a right turn there, but it might be easier just to walk across. And there's a lovely cycle path.
Exactly. But
Wait for the bike. And then, yeah, we'll go down here. So this, if we go straight on, this should hit Tower Bridge. So this is Mansell Street. Wow, this looks much easier than coming from the other angle, doesn't it? So it's just straight through now. But even Google Maps doesn't say go over. Here we go. Oh man. It's a good chance to check the map. I want to know what we do after Tower Bridge. So we go straight over Tower Bridge. Oh, it doesn't say what. It really doesn't want us to go that way. So what we need to do is just kind of turn right when we after the bridge. Okay. Yeah, Google Maps does not want to put bikes over Tower Bridge, which is kind of it. But we've done this journey 3 times now over the bridge, and it's absolutely hair-raising. It's one of the scariest places to cycle for me. Okay, so it's green for the bikes. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little green thing there. Nice green here. Great. Oh, this is a bit more straightforward than I thought it would be. Past Chamber Street, round the Minories. There used to be an old train station. And then into the lower approach to Tower Bridge. Here we go. So we go straight on. Wow, it's just thrown us straight into 5 lanes of traffic. You go dead slow. There's a cycle path to the right of the bus. Let's give that a try. But everyone wants to do their own thing. Okay, let's go this way. Got a little cycle advance here, and then we're onto Tower Bridge. Got a left turner here. Do you overtake me, Joe? Overtake me. You can overtake me. This is it, we're onto Tower Bridge. Now the one upside with riding over Tower Bridge is everyone's gawping at the bridge, even regulars. Thanks. Show respect to the bus. Yeah, everyone's gawping at the bridge, so actually they don't mind it going a bit too slow. What's that? Oh yeah, there's a fake chimney there. Well, it's a real chimney, it's a fake lamppost. Let's pull in so the cars can overtake. And this is it. I don't know if I've got the camera pointing in the right direction, but I don't want to take my hands off the handlebar to adjust or check it. Here we go. So we're all the way in. The car's being very kind. Thing is, they overtake and they haven't got that much further to go. Yeah, I'll go in front now. Thanks. And there is enough to cycle down the side here, but I really do not want to undertake the bus. I'm sure nothing bad would happen, but I just don't want to do it. Oh, here we go. Got a scooter. And I think the battery on my e-bike has just given up. It was on the red, like 1 bar. I feel it suddenly gets very heavy. And we want to turn right at some stage. I might go now. Go, Joe. Go this way. Thanks. Well done. I will just stop here. Now I don't know where Borough Market is, and I don't want to take my phone out. So shall we go down here?
Yeah.
I don't know when we've got to turn right at some stage. So should we come off now?
Yeah.
All right then, let's come off now. Yeah, I'm being, Jesus, that was nearly a crash. Right, yeah, if we just go down Tooley streets, that'll take us straight there. Okay, what we'll do is we'll just turn right and go all the way down. We'll just go all the way down. Oh, I'll tell you what, I need to, can I just fill up? Stop, stop, stop. It's really rare to see these out and about. I really need it today. Thank you, Mayor of London. Hey, would you like any? Do you need some? Keep going down here. My battery's dead. Let's see if we can get to the end of Tooley Street. Oh look, it's the Peppa Pig bus. Two of my favourite things combined. A lot of people waiting for the bus. It's my favourite Five Guys, just on the right here, but I think it might be closed down at the moment. I've just demolished City Hall. We've got planes overhead, going to London City Airport, but here's London Bridge Station on the left. There we go.
This guy's
Okay, there's a slight incline here. And then I guess we need to find a docking station. See if you can find one. I mean, there must be one in London Bridge Station, surely. I need to look at the map. So we've made it. Borough Market's just down on the right hand side. There's the Bridget Jones house. But where is there a docking station? At the moment, the time of recording, the app for the Santander bikes is absolute rubbish. In your own time. So where are the docking stations? Oh, this app is so crap. It's disappeared. They keep disappearing off the map. It's really useless. So if we bank to the right, down there should be one on the right hand side, okay? So past that building there. Down here, he's not looking up. Look up. There you go. There it is. Fantastic. It's got a few spaces. Yes. Dock. Amazing. Oh. So on a fear factor scale, that wasn't the worst we've done, was it? I kind of like that one.
It wasn't that bad.
Yeah. So Borough Market, it's just behind this building here, on the left-hand side. I'll leave you with some shots from Borough Market. If you like these kind of videos, here's a playlist on screen now. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really does help me to keep going with this channel, experimenting, trying out new things. So thank you for all your comments and likes, really appreciate it.